Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can set, or rather add, a moving average to your TradingView chart. So let's get right into it. TradingView is a very useful site slash application slash tool which you can use to keep track of any stocks and options you currently are interested in or that you are actively trading in, and you can also make trades, view their charts to see how their price has moved throughout a certain period of time, and so on and so forth. It is very useful if you are in the whole trading business. Now, you can also make trades, as I've said, if you are connected to a broker. So make sure that you are connected to a broker before doing trades, since you have to be connected. And yeah, you can modify these charts however you would like. You can add so-called indicators and scripts, which will basically just help you modify your chart, which can show you additional information which might be useful to you. One such indicator is, of course, the moving average, and the way you add it is the following. You just click on the indicators button here at the top, and it will open this window. Now, you can manually browse the indicators by going to technicals and then browsing whatever you would like, from indicators to patterns to strategies and so on and so forth, but we want a moving average. Now, you can search for it manually, as I've said, by going to the M, and as you can see, there are moving averages here. However, to make your job easier, just go to the search bar and type moving average, and once you're here, you see all of these options. These here are scripts, as you can see, community scripts. However, if you want a indicator, just go to one of these, click on whichever you'd like, let's say the simple moving average, and once you click it, as you can see, it has been added to my chart. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be seeing you guys next time.